Lancaster sunshine is incredible and the wind is real. If you set up your home for comfort on day one, you're going to love living here. This is what you have to know about weather and wind so your monthly stays friendly and your home feels great. Hi, I'm Tekeian, realtor and licensed professional clinical counselor here in Southern California. My job is to keep you calm, clear, and fully prepared. No surprises. Let's build your Lancaster comfort plan together. We'll cover high desert basics, wind patterns, orientation, insulation, and windows, including roofing, fencing, HVAC and evaporation cooling, solar terms, Windwise Landscaping, and a year-one home care calendar. Then I'll give you a quick fit check and next steps. That sounds jam-packed, and that's what's gonna help get you ready for your move. Lancaster is high desert, big sun, low humidity, and real temperature swings, warm days and cooler nights. That combo is amazing for solar potential and comfort if you plan your home setup well. Think of your house like a system: shade, seals, airflow, and smart controls. Setting it up is super important. Wind has habits. Certain sides of the house take more exposure. During showings and inspections, I'm noting which facades get the brunt and where you'll want wind breaks. Porches, courtyards, and side yards can be positioned to stay enjoyable even on breezy days. Strategic shrubs, lattices, or privacy screens can calm a patio without blocking light. Small changes make big differences in daily comfort. Double pane windows help with temperature and sound. Low E coatings reduce heat gain. If a home has mixed windows, we'll price upgrades for the most exposed sides first. Weather stripping on exterior doors, garage seals, and foam gaskets behind outlets on exterior walls, tiny items, real impact. Door sweeps are inexpensive and instantly noticeable. Attic insulation and proper ventilation keep temperatures steady. Ask for the installation type and approximate age. We'll spot check during inspection. Wind loves edges. Roof condition, flashing, and underlayment matter a lot in Lancaster. We verify age, materials, and any past repairs so you know what's ahead. No surprises. Fence height, post depth, anchoring style, and panel design change how it handles gusts. We'll look for sturdier posts and bracing. Replace loose panels before the next storm week. Let's dive into HVAC and Evap cooling. You'll find central HVAC, sometimes paired with evaporative coolers. Both work here if they're sized and maintained correctly. Smart thermostats and regular filter changes make a huge difference as well. Set reminders for 30 to 60 days in the gusty months and 90 days otherwise. Maintenance is key. Some Evap tips for you. If the home has an Evap cooler, clean pads and balanced airflow matters. Use it during drier parts of the day and switch strategies when humidity rises. So a balance for you to have there. Lancaster Sun is fantastic for solar. The contract type drives your monthly. Own solar, no separate solar payment. Lower electric bill, but verify production. Lease or PPA, separate monthly payment plus a smaller utility bill. Read for escalators and transfer rules. We'll take a look at this together and make sure you know what's coming. Ask about panel age, breaker capacity, and EV readiness in the garage. Future-proofing your electric saves headaches for later. It's all about planning. Use hardy, wind-tolerant plants as natural screens. Layer heights, ground cover shrubs, small trees to slow gusts without building a wall. Think about drip irrigation, mulch, and smart timers so you can cut water use and keep soil in place. Rock-only yards can reflect heat and mix textures for comfort. So what to do quarterly? Replace HVAC filters, check door and window seals, inspect fence posts, and clear dryer vents. Set these as calendar reminders and future you will say thank you so much. Before windy weeks, tighten fence hardware, secure patio items, and check roof edges. Before heat waves, confirm thermostat schedules, shade the sunny sides, and check attic ventilation. Taking a look at what you need to do annually, service your HVAC and review solar production versus your bills, and do a quick roof walkthrough with a pro if needed. Small maintenance now beats big fixes later. Use cellular shades or thermal curtains on the hottest exposures in the house. Add door rugs to catch dust and consider a sealed garage door bottom. As far as outside the home, store lightweight patio furniture or strap it down before a gusty week. Choose heavier planters and low-profile decor. So is Lancaster a fit for your comfort? If you love sun, space, and lower maintenance on newer systems, and you're willing to plan for wind, Lancaster fits beautifully. If you want coastal air and late-night patios every weekend, you may prefer a different rhythm. No right or wrong, just what supports your daily life and what works for you. So, thinking of moving in 9 days or 90 days, or interested to know more about Lancaster? Let's set up your personalized strategy session so we can make sure you know what's next, or if you have any questions or any move areas, I get those answered for you. We'll set up your comfort plan, read the solar utility details, answer all your questions, and choose a home that works for your routine. I'm Rebecca, here to help you buy with clarity and zero pressure. And I'll see you in our strategy session or in the next one. Make sure to comment below on what you want to see next and subscribe for more information on living in Southern California. I'll see you in the next one.